You should replace these 10 words in your vocabulary. 1. Bad. When you use the word bad, you're describing something in general. Nothing is horrible most of the time because that perspective is questionable. Plus, a lot of the time, when you think someone or something is horrible, it's because you're harboring resentment or other unpleasant emotions. You'll start to see things as they are if you can get rid of this and other negative terms from your lexicon. You'll discover new ways to express and deal with your emotions, which will lead to more chances and ideas. Best of all, you won't have to deal with the negative connotations that come with using this word. 2. Problem. The act of describing something or someone as a problem can induce anxiety. Because you must find a solution to an issue, your mind associates it with negativity. This way of thinking stifles your creativity, critical thinking abilities. 3. Hate. This is one of the most derogatory words you can say because it encourages violence and aggression. The word hate, as well as the bad sentiments it evokes, disturbs your peace and steals your delight. Using the word even once can cause problems, and using it regularly can lead to a lifetime of misery. Instead of using the word hatred, try focusing on acceptance. Accept that you won't be able to change the circumstance, and go on without bitterness or hatred. 4. Ugly. One of the worst things you can say is to use the adjective ugly when describing yourself. Avoid using this derogatory word, even if you have pimples or imperfections on your face. Saying the term ugly will make it difficult for you to find happiness and will lower your self-esteem. 5. If. Because the word if implies uncertainty, you will undermine your self-assurance. If you use the word if, you're implying that you won't succeed and achieve your objectives. To remind yourself that you will accomplish what you set out to do, use the word when instead of if. Why me? These words will keep you trapped in a victim mindset. Because you're focusing on the bad parts of the problem, this cycle inhibits you from addressing the dilemma. While you may not have anticipated this situation, you may avoid it by avoiding these terms. 7. You should. Don't tell others what they should or shouldn't do because it suggests that they lack the ability to make their own decisions. They may feel patronized, or they may avoid making their own judgments. When you use the word should to describe oneself, you set the tone for negativity. You may feel frustrated, guilty, or regretful about your life. Instead, use the words choice or could. 7. Inadequate. The word inadequate suggests that you or someone else is incapable of performing a task. It's a good idea to get rid of this word from your vocabulary because it helps you comprehend that everyone has a varied skill set. Someone may excel in one area but struggle with another, and the opposite may be true for another. Because everyone excels at different things, the term incompetent is both harmful and misleading. Instead of using the word inadequate, try encouraging the person to focus on their strengths. 8. Impossible. Using the term impossible can cause you to fail at a task that you might have completed without it. You won't be able to do anything if you say you can't do it. If you say you can accomplish something, you'll be able to do it. Because your mind believes what you say, make sure you speak positively about yourself. Saying you can't do anything will simply prevent you from achieving your goals. It leads to feelings of inadequacy and defeat. Even if someone asks you to do something and you don't want to, you should refrain from stating you can't. Instead, say you've decided not to since it reaffirms your power over your life. 9. Life isn't fair at all. While these remarks may appear to be accurate at times, you should refrain from saying them. You'll focus on the unpleasant parts of your life if you utilize this statement. By removing it from your vocabulary, you may instead concentrate on being positive. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.